Hey everyone, so I'm just gonna do this really quick unboxing. I've had this sitting for maybe like a week now, just because I haven't felt like doing an unboxing lately. With so much going on and just generally, I don't know, I've been tired, I guess. But here I am, and let's do this. So, as you can see, the box is already opened, and this is just how it's packed, with lots of confetti and plastic bubble wrap to keep things in place. It looked like more of a party than this when I first opened it. I partially pulled these things out, but then I thought, well, I'll just unbox it on camera. So, like fully unbox it on camera. So I haven't actually had a good look at these at all. This is probably a packing slip with my info on it. So yeah, that's what that is. I'm not gonna unfold it on camera. So this brand has actually gotten a little bit of flack for the way they package their items because of the confetti. I'm assuming it's not biodegradable. I don't know. I'm a festive person, so I like that sort of thing. Although, if there is a way to recycle it, I would prefer to do that versus like have it in a landfill. Anyway, that's my little green speech for now. Let's get to pulling out the merchandise. So it's makeup, and it's from Pat McGrath. As you can see, now I'm kind of starting to see why eco-conscious people complain. No offense, no shade. I love Pat McGrath. But in addition to this confetti in the box, we've also got the confetti in the bag, which I really love. It's so pretty. Let's open this. So this is the Ecstasy Subversive palette. Okay, I actually had to open this with scissors. So inside the packet, there is a little insert about Pat McGrath's brand and experience. And like a little summary type thing about the palette. Pardon my nails. I'm going to be doing them later. It's okay. Let's pull this out. I don't know what maybe I can reuse the confetti as packaging for like when I mail out products to my clients in my own business, because I do kind of feel bad now that I think about it, just like dumping it in the trash. And the gold confetti is so pretty, or the sequins or whatever. They're little sequins. I think that's what they are. So this is one of the smaller palettes that just kind of gives you a sampling of the colors, her product. I've never actually used her eyeshadows before, so I was actually really thrilled to find these. They were like $17, maybe like 26. I think I might have gotten this one on sale, so that might be why it was 17, but I do believe it was 17. Actually, I could look at the invoice and tell you how much I paid for it. 17, yes. Interesting. Okay. So yeah, let's open this and take a look. Oh, I was saying that I've never actually tried her eyeshadows before, so I wanted to invest a little in sampling them before actually getting like a full palette, full-size palette with more product. One sec, let me open this. Here we go. I'm gonna try not to do this too zoomed in, because I did have to refilm video I've yet to post because it was too zoomed in. Anyway, so these are the colors. I wanted something that was a little bit more colorful. And here we go. I think I might use this tomorrow, actually, when I go out to get my bit of fresh air that I've been doing on the weekends. Okay, but wait, there's more. So I have another product I ordered for the down in the box. And these boxes are actually kind of cool in like darky, mothershipy outer space. It's just like vertically oriented black box that stands up versus your typical rectangular, square, cube shaped shipping box. So that's kind of cool. Now her ingredients do have talc, as you can see, in all three of these colors actually that we're looking at. Yeah, all of them have talc. But at least it's further down. Well, okay, in Tranquility, it's the first ingredient. I was going to say at least it's further down in the ingredients list. I try to avoid makeup with talc in it. Just because, I don't know, I don't really trust talc. But look at this. So this is the Mothership Sublime Golden Opulence eyeshadow palette. Okay, so I guess I kind of lied. I did get like a bigger product, but even this one is only $39. So it's not like the $100 plus palettes. I don't have one of those yet. But I love this packaging. And that was actually something I liked about it on the website, the packaging. It reminds me of Chinese New Year. And I love anything with glitter. Okay, one sec. Okay. But yeah, this is a good palette. So the weight comes from the mirror that it has. And that's about it. You can see the colors, the names of the colors here. Okay. So this is my Pat McGrath unboxing. I got some of her Opulence lip products, lip glosses. And so those are gonna be here. I don't know, I'll check on them. This kind of took a while to arrive, I think, like a couple weeks, and then so maybe next week I will get more of her products. But I'm gonna try these out tomorrow, and then if I remember, I will come on camera and show you guys how they worked out. And that's that. So I will see you guys again really soon. Until then, take care and be well, and stay clean, stay safe, stay organized. Talk to you soon. Bye now.